Okay, so hello guys, welcome to the new video. Now let's continue with DevOps tools. Let's talk about DevOps tool. So the fundamental tool we need to use in DevOps is so the fundamental tool we need to use is Linux, right? Why fundamental? Because this is the basics of DevOps. In 2000s, before 2000, there were servers. On servers, applications were running. The applications were running on servers, and servers have Linux in them. Now let's move forward. Second would be a container, Docker. We'll start with Docker. A container, Docker containers. Does container sound like a ship flooded with some containers, right? Have you seen that? The image. This is a ship and there are many containers loaded on them. Have you ever seen that? Yes, we are talking about the same containers, but we are not shipping containers full of sugar or containers full of toys or anything to export, the cosmetics, etc. We are not exporting that. We are exporting code. So we are exporting our application, right? I'm not going deep into Docker containers. I'm just explaining the tools for now. Okay, third one, Kubernetes. Do you know about Kubernetes? Hope you know that. No, don't worry, I would explain that as well. So Kubernetes is a container orchestration. So not going into the bookish language of what is container orchestration, this and this and this. Rather than, let me explain it simply. This is a container, and to ship it to the customer. Okay, so let's not do it. It will be a mess. To ship it, this is a container. This is a Docker container, right? To ship it to the customer is a job of Kubernetes. To take care that your application doesn't go down, the Kubernetes help. This is a complete job of Kubernetes. Mostly 90% we use Kubernetes, and there are many other tools required for the according to the company needs. We use that, but 24/7 Kubernetes takes care of this, right? Okay. Fourth, we have for automation. For automation, we have CI/CD, continuous. Don't go on my handwriting, I know it's bad. Continuous integration, continuous delivery. Right? Hope this is clear. So we have a famous tool for automations for building continuous integration pipelines. We use Jenkins, right? And for continuous delivery, for now I use mostly Argo CD. There are other tools as well. Argo CD is mostly used for open source project, and there are other as well. I forgot the name, I think. Okay, so for now, just remember Argo CD for continuous delivery, Jenkins for continuous integration. For continuous integration, there are many other ways as well. Like we have, I think, Circle CI. Yes, Circle CI. So you don't need to launch Circle CI, Jenkins, Argo CD, open source. You just start with Jenkins. Jenkins is an old one and a good one to start with, right? Okay, so I think we have covered Linux, we have covered Docker, we have covered Kubernetes, we have covered automation, right? Okay, so now 3 tools are, I think 4 tools: Linux, Kubernetes, Docker, Kubernetes, and automation. 4 tools are covered. Now 5th is cloud. Let's cover cloud. So there are many clouds: AWS, Azure, GCP. I have talked about that, right? So what is cloud? What is the use of cloud? So cloud is a really big technology to cover in few minutes, but let me try to do that. In cloud, you can build your complete infrastructure. You can deploy your complete infrastructure. AWS provide that. The AWS provide a fully managed services. There are cloud engineers taking care of your cloud, like AWS cloud. I have knowledge of AWS, so let's talk about AWS. So there are different type of services in this: EKS, ECS, VPC, and many others, right? So we have AWS cloud. So for storage, we use S3. For spinning up the servers, we have EC2. For securing our environment, we have VPCs. For server listing, we have Lambda, right? For monitoring, we have CloudWatch, right? So there are many others, right? We have CloudFormation templates. So you write a code and you run some commands, abracadabra, gili gili choo, something like that, and the infrastructure will be up for you. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so let's talk about 6th tool, Terraform. What is Terraform? A big brother, I would say, the big brother of CloudFormation templates. CloudFormation templates, the big brother of CloudFormation template. This is a Terraform, right? So you write some code, as I have told you, abracadabra, giri giri choo, and the infrastructure, the EC2 instance, the S3s, the ECS, EKS clusters will be up for you, right? So no need to go deep into that. Okay, so let me discuss the final tool for today. Okay, so I forgot to cover one other tool, that is monitoring, logging and monitoring. So not going deep into this as well. Grafana and Prometheus, we have 2 tools for that. First is Grafana, second is Prometheus, right? First Grafana, second is Prometheus. So to view the data, like how many customers have, so to view the data, the statistics, like how many customers have visited and what is the CPU utilization, I would say, and how many errors we have, the graph of this and this and this and this, like this, the graphs like this, the errors and bugs, the written errors and bugs, right? You could find all this in Grafana and Prometheus, right? So this both tool works in integration, like you send, I think you send you send logs in Grafana and then Prometheus have statics or something. No, I think we send errors and all in Prometheus, and then Grafana has dashboard, I think. Okay, no worries. So this was the last tool we covered. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video.